One of the biggest sections in the great room area, other than the kitchen, is this new TV section. So we're going to have a 60-inch electric fireplace here with a 60-inch television above it. We're going to wrap it all in custom woodwork, and we have giant windows to the left and the right to overview the pool. So the next section we're going to go view is the kitchen area. So now we got this nice big open floor plan great room concept. What's going on here? We're going to have a double oven, pantry cabinet, refrigerator over here. This is going to be a nice long massive area for a nice new stove, hood above it, big 10-foot island in the center, plenty of seating with a secondary sink and a microwave in it. Then over here is a whole new bank of cabinets, which is going to be for the sink, the dishwasher, and storage cabinets left and right. So you're going to have a great flow all the way through here. And the best is that this is all open all the way to the back of the house. We've doubled the space without adding on anything. And we're just about wrapped up with our mechanicals and all of our final framing. So we took advantage of this new front bar area while we were framing. We opened up the center sections to make areas for bottles so that when you're serving your friends right here, you'll be able to have your bottles right here. We put some convenience outlets in so that we can put mixers or some heated trays up here when you're serving, if you want to have a serving area over here. And then back over in this area here, we have our wet bar so that you can be able to put your glasses and any dirty dishes and wash them right here. So the final section of the bar area is the TV section. So we're going to have a 60-inch television on this wall, and we're going to have a 60-inch electric fireplace underneath it. They're going to wrap this whole wall with stacked stone, and you can see behind the wall we've put in our audio video cables and our power. So now we're totally ready for finishes.